Welcome to English Listening Practice. In this video, you will hear 4 statements about a picture. When you hear the statements, you must select one statement that best describes the picture.
Question number 1. A. People are diving in. B. Ropes are on the deck. C. A swimmer is swimming. D. Towels are being folded. Question number 2. A. They're skating together. B. A skater is sitting down. C. Benches are near the ice. D. Ice is being resurfaced. Question number 3. A. Pins are on the lane. B. People are eating food. C. Balls are being polished. D. A bowler is releasing the ball. Question number 4. A. A guard is swimming. B. The lifeguard is seated. C. Tubes are underwater. D. Chairs are being stacked. Question number 5. A. Skates are on the bench. B. 2 people are falling. C. An instructor is helping a skater. D. Ice is being flooded. Question number 6. A. A customer is choosing shoes. B. Lanes are being waxed. C. Balls are on the rack. D. A bowler is throwing pins. Question number 7. A. Swimmers are diving now. B. Swimmers are on the blocks. C. A coach is timing laps. D. Water is being drained. Question number 8. A. Pins are being set up. B. A ball is on the rack. C. 2 people are bowling. D. A bowler is watching pins. Question number 9. A. A skater is on the bench. B. They're racing on the ice. C. People are on the ice. D. Skates are being sharpened. Question number 10. A. A bowler is scoring points. B. Shoes are on the floor. C. A player is holding a ball. D. Pins are being reset. Here are the answers for all 10 questions. The detailed answers for each question will follow.
Answer number 1. Answer C. Because the swimmer in a cap and goggles is doing front crawl in the lane with water splashing. A. Is wrong because the person is already swimming, not diving in. B. Is wrong because the lane ropes float in the pool, not on the deck. D. Is wrong because no towels are folding a pier. Answer number 2. Answer A. Because two skaters in winter jackets hold hands and glide forward side by side on the ice. B. Is wrong because both skaters stand on the ice, not sitting down. C. Is wrong because no benches are prominently shown near the ice. D. Is wrong because the ice is smooth with skaters on it, not being resurfaced. Answer number 3. Answer D. Because the bowler at the foul line swings forward and releases a dark bowling ball low toward the pins. A. Is wrong because the pins sit at the far end, not the main focus shown. B. Is wrong because no food or eating appears. C. Is wrong because the ball is being released, not polished. Answer number 4. Answer B. Because the lifeguard in a red shirt sits upright on the tall chair beside the pool and watches the water. A. Is wrong because the lifeguard is seated, not swimming. C. Is wrong because the rescue tube hangs beside the chair, not underwater. D. Is wrong because the chair is in use, not being stacked. Answer number 5. Answer C. Because the instructor in a bright vest holds both hands of the beginner skater taking small careful steps on the blades. A. Is wrong because both people wear skates and stand on the ice, not on a bench. B. Is wrong because neither person is falling. D. Is wrong because the ice is smooth with skaters on it, not being flooded. Answer number 6. Answer A. Because the customer in jeans reaches toward a pair of bowling shoes on the middle shelf. B. Is wrong because this is the shoe rental counter, not a lane being waxed. C. Is wrong because balls on a rack are not the main focus shown. D. Is wrong because no bowler is throwing pins. Answer number 7. Answer B. Because 3 swimmers in caps crouch on separate starting blocks gripping the front edge with feet on the pads. A. Is wrong because they hold still before a dive, not diving now. C. Is wrong because no coach or timing action appears. D. Is wrong because the pool is full of water with no draining. Answer number 8. Answer D. Because the bowler at the foul line watches white pins scatter at the far end while the ball rolls down the lane. A. Is wrong because the pins are tumbling, not being set up. B. Is wrong because the ball rolls on the lane, not resting on a rack. C. Is wrong because only one person is in the photo. Answer number 9. Answer A. Because the skater in warm clothes sits on the rink side bench tying the laces of one ice skate. B. Is wrong because one person sits tying laces, not racing on the ice. C. Is wrong because the person sits on the bench, not standing on the ice. D. Is wrong because the skater ties laces, not sharpening skates. Answer number 10. Answer C. Because the player in a bowling shirt lifts a red bowling ball with both hands from the return tray. A. Is wrong because no scoreboard or scoring action appears. B. Is wrong because no shoes are on the floor. D. Is wrong because this is the ball return area with no pins being reset.